Come here. Now put your arm under. Yeah, it's so fucking cool. Hang on. Make it over for a sec.
Tighten the shit out of that.
I need to get the clamp as close to your finger so it doesn't just bend it. Oh, can't. Nah, fuck this. Nah, fuck this, Sam. Come on, man. Give me a few minutes. Alright. You need to try and straighten your finger out when I pull. Right? Are you fucking serious, cunt? If it's too hard, I won't do it. Alright? If it's not.
I don't want to film this shit. You can film it. I'm not doing it.
Hold my finger as well. I'll hold your finger as well.
Have you fucking done this before?
Yeah, I have done it before. I did it to myself. If I can pull one
How
out.
bad was it?
Exactly the same.
Fucking slut.
Try and extend your finger out as much as you can.
Oh, what a tank! Oh shit!
Fucking go get
Woo!
it. Yeah.
Darry.
Smoke proof. Give me another one.
That was the last.